Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydroform here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your username in Minecraft Java Edition. Now since I'm planning to change my username to Hydroform or something like that, I thought hey, I might as well make a video on it. So basically all you have to do alright is click on this download arrow right over here in the Minecraft Java Edition launcher. You need to be over here, and then what you need to do is go ahead and click on manage account. Now once you click on manage account, so it's basically going to ask you your security questions. Now if you do not know what your security questions are, it's basically the questions that you have set before itself, and if you do not remember these, you basically have to reset the security question. Now since I've already completed my security question, it's not asking me any of that good stuff. All you have to do is go ahead and go down to profile information, and so wait, it's not yet done guys, so do not just leave the video thinking that it's done. It's not that simple. What you need to do is go ahead and click on change. All right, go ahead and click on change, and then the new username, the new profile name or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly name it whatever I want. All right, Hydroform 12 is there available, right? Yep. All right, so it seems that this is available, and yeah, so I've changed it finally. All right, so you will get this error. So now I purposely did not cut this out because a lot of people are getting this error right now. So you're more likely going to get it as well. And yeah, so just go ahead and reload that once again, just in case you think that it's an error and you're stuck and you cannot change your name. Do not think anything like that. That's the reason I didn't cut it out, like I said. Now, goodbye.